Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself constantly looking for someone else to tell you it's okay? Whether it's a big life decision or even just choosing what to wear, that nagging feeling of needing approval or permission from others can be a huge hurdle. Today, we're diving deep into why we seek validation and permission, and more importantly, how to break free from that cycle to live a more authentic, self-directed life. Let's jump right in. Understanding the need for validation. So, what exactly is seeking validation? At its core, it's about relying on external sources, people, social media, even just the absence of criticism to confirm our worth, our decisions, or our existence. Think about it. Posting a photo and checking for likes, asking every friend for their opinion on a career move, or constantly looking for your boss's approval before taking initiative. We've all been there, right? But why do we do this? Often, it stems from our upbringing. Maybe we were praised for pleasing others, or perhaps criticism felt like a threat. Society also plays a huge role. We're constantly bombarded with images of perfect lives and opinions, making us second-guess our own choices. The fear of making a mistake, of being judged, or of not being good enough can be incredibly powerful motivators for seeking external approval. What are your experiences with this? Have you ever felt this way? Let me know in the comments below. The pitfalls of external permission. While a little encouragement from friends is great, a constant need for external validation can be a serious trap. The biggest pitfall is that it strips you of your own agency and authenticity. When you're always waiting for someone else's go-ahead, you're essentially handing over control of your life to others. Your decisions are no longer truly yours. They're filtered through what you think others want or approve of. This can lead to significant delays in pursuing your goals, a constant feeling of uncertainty, and even resentment towards yourself or others. It can also stunt your personal growth. How can you learn to trust your own judgment if you never actually use it? Think about how much energy it takes to constantly gauge reactions, to tailor your actions to fit someone else's expectations. It's exhausting, and it keeps you from truly knowing yourself. Cultivating internal validation and permission. So, how do we shift from seeking external approval to finding that strength within ourselves? It's a journey, not a destination, but here are some powerful steps you can take. First, acknowledge the pattern. Simply recognizing when you're seeking validation is the first step. Is it before you speak up in a meeting? Before you post something online? Before you make a purchase? Awareness is key. Next, start small. Make minor decisions without consulting anyone. Choose your outfit, your dinner, or your weekend plans based solely on what you want. Celebrate these small acts of self-trust. Third, connect with your values. What truly matters to you? Not your parents, not your friends, not social media. When you make decisions aligned with your core values, the need for external validation often diminishes because you're operating from a place of integrity. Journaling can be incredibly helpful here. Ask yourself, what do I truly desire in this situation? What would I do if I knew no one would judge me? What's the worst that could happen if I just followed my own intuition? Finally, practice self-compassion. You will make mistakes. Everyone does. Instead of seeing them as reasons to doubt yourself and seek more external validation, view them as learning opportunities. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend, embracing your own power. Ultimately, the goal is to build self-trust. When you trust yourself, you give yourself permission to live authentically, to take risks, and to make choices that genuinely serve you. It's incredibly freeing. It doesn't mean you stop listening to advice or caring about others' opinions, but it means those inputs become just inputs, not the final say. Your inner voice becomes the most important one. You are worthy. Your ideas are valid. Your desires matter. You don't need anyone else's permission to be you, to pursue your dreams, or to make your own choices. The only permission you truly need is your own. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Also, let me know in the comments, what's one area of your life where you're going to start giving yourself permission? I'd love to hear about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.